5 colorful ducks went out one day. Red, blue, yellow, green and gray, over the hill and far away. Quack, 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 what a sunny display. Oh, where did the ducks all go? Waddling fast or waddling slow? Quack, 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 the answer we'll know. 5 colorful ducks, they steal the show. A red one danced in a puddle of rain. The blue one splashed in a little fountain chain. The yellow one chased a butterfly's game. Green and gray played hide and seek again. Oh, where did the ducks all go? Waddling fast or waddling slow? Quack, 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 the answer we'll know. 5 colorful ducks, they steal the show. Mama duck called with a quack so loud. One by one they returned so proud. Red and blue, then green, yellow, gray, 5 ducks together, hip, hooray! Oh